Hello everyone, I am Ivan de Guzman and I am discussing graph of trigonometric functions. I have one example problem here of sine y equals negative 3 sine 4x. The b is called as a stretch and the stretch is always beside of x, so the stretch is equals to 4. A e- the a is equals to amplitude. Amplitude equals 3 and downward. Because it is negative 3, it is downward. Next is the leftmost. Leftmost equals 0. You substitute 4x to the leftmost. 4x equals 0. So, the answer of leftmost is x equals 0. Next is the rightmost. Rightmost has a 2 pi constant. 4x equals 2 pi. You use 4 over the 4x to cancel it out. So, x equals 2 pi over 4. And the answer of rightmost is x equals pi over 2. Rightmost is also the phase shift. I is the interval. I equals rightmost minus leftmost over 4. You substitute rightmost and leftmost. Pi over 2 minus 0 equals over 4. You cancel 0, so you you get pi over 2 over 4 equals pi over 2 times 1/4 equals pi over 8. This is the graph of trigonometric functions. Because it is downward, you use it like this. Like this. That's all. Thank you.